Mu rukiiko lwa kanso olw'okuyindira emyaka 5 bamaze mu kanso bakansala bahinguza embalirira yaabo eyamuheerwe ya ssente ziri kwika biliyoni 92 baraganisa kugita mu nkora nk'oku batwire nibakola.
Document indicates we have received additional funds totaling to 9 billion and 20 million shillings. So esente zokoli kuzigita ahali billion 9 zijazikwata 90 billions.
Mu rukiiko rumwe chairman wa district egi amanyisa bakansala ebirungi babasize kwishikiriza mu myaka 5 eyibamazire bari kuheereza abantu baabo.
As we conclude for term, I'm proud to report that Isingiro district has been ranked the best performing district in Uganda 4 times and twice as the second best performing district nationally. Most recently, the district attained an impressive overall performance score of 98%.
Mu myaka 5 egi hombekerwa amagombora 8 kandi ogisireho n'abiri nago nigija kombekerwa za ofisi z'okukoreramu.
It has received 114.3 billion. 114 billion. We have received that money for last 5 years. We have Uganda Road Fund, the other 1 billion, totaling to 7.8 billion. You know it. Dr. Deep, we had 52.7 billion. Ismail, you can see 30.8 billion. Water and sanitation, 7.1 billion. PHC Development Fund, 3.5 billion. All this money is in the Isingiro district and it has worked.
Chairman ayongera atangaza hari projekti eziriyo nizikora neze ziri kuza kutandika korwa omwaka gw'ebyesente guri kwija kandi sente zimwe zatungirwe.
For working very good and tiresomely to give people services. I think we can see the district roads in Isingiro are passable. But where they are not possible, we still have the challenges of inadequate fundings and even the breakdown of our own equipment since they are old. But we are pushing and we know anytime we shall overcome.
Those who have managed to come in the new council to be joined by others who are joining you. One, I want to appeal to you, honorable councillors, that you ensure that there is value for money in every government project.
Bakansala batabasize kurabamu basimirwe abokora emirimo yabo kurungi kandi nabo abaragumizemu bashabirwe kugumiza mukora kurungi. Makuru aga gashakwa Gerard ahimbisibwe omuri Isingiro.